such perfect love that I shall sing, though winter's chill be spread. For one must not take pleasure in flowers above, no bird song, nor leaf, nor green that once is shed. But joy of love, so of love, which keeps me gay, I'll make a song, for I have good cause always. And let who will make songs or dancing measure of the song of birds, for I have no desire to make songs save of amorous pleasures fire. For without love there never was true treasure. Nor wish to hold apart, rather I'll sing of love and joy of heart, for which I praise myself, and the rest I trust in faith's caress. Who go complaining of love and make their grief, for among all true-hearted lovers by my choice there never was one who loved with truer belief than I have loved and still shall love his love. And terror to a lover thereof, I'd have felt it in deed or in seeming face, so long a time as love held me in power, yet never a single day did love make me all my days in joyous grace.